Hello everyone. So this is me installing bubble braids for my daughter. This will be her protective style for the next 4 weeks. I'm starting off by blow drying her hair. As you can see, I've already almost finished. I'm just blow drying the last section of her hair so that I can get right into it. As you can see, I'm twisting that last section. This is the hair that came out throughout the blow drying process. So we'll get right into it. I'm loosening the bottom twist so that I can go ahead and section and then start installing the bubble braids. I prefer to start from the back because it will give a good foundation to build the style. You actually don't have to blow dry before installing bubble braids. In fact, I've done it several times without blow drying, but I just chose to have a smoother finish this time. Yeah, so that's why I chose to blow dry this time. So I'm in the process of sectioning it. I try to have my lines as clean as possible, but as a busy mom, I'm not too particular about having it a perfect straight line. I just do what looks good enough and then go on to install the style. I'm making it bigger this time because I plan to leave the style in for just 4 weeks. But sometimes I take it up to 5, even 6 weeks, just because the idea is to reduce manipulation and to retain all the length she gains during the 4-week period. I'm using the box braid sectioning technique for this style. That's what I use most times actually. After making the first section, I use a crocodile clip to put the rest away so I don't borrow any hairs from there while I'm installing the bubble braid. These are the rubber bands I'll be using. That's one. Yeah. I band the section close to the scalp, but not too tight. I prefer to pull it closer if it's too loose than to make it too tight, because then it's harder to loosen up. I like to also stretch it a bit throughout the installation of the style, just to minimize flyaways, those little shorter hairs that like to stick out and make the hair look rough faster. This just helps to tame them a bit more. So I encountered a knot here. This is just to show you how I gently detangle it. Anytime you're sectioning hair, once you encounter a knot, you have to stop and gently detangle. If you pull through or tear through that knot, you're causing breakage. Another knot, another time to pause and detangle. Check this out. Thanks for watching the bubble braid tutorial. See you soon. Bye.